Hello students, welcome to the online training program of Young Minds Academy. My name is Ritesh, I'm your English coach, and today I'm going to start a quiz of Merchant of Venice. आज की वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. रीज़न, हमने अभी तक जितना कुछ भी पढ़ा उसको बड़ी स्मार्टली तरीके से हम लोग आज रिवाइज करेंगे एंड वी विल टेस्ट आवरसेल्फ. आप आज अपने आप को टेस्ट भी करेंगे कि आपको मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस में एक्ट 1 में कितना समझ में आया. राइट, अब स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से. अब जैसे कि पहला क्वेश्चन आपको बोर्ड पे दिखाई दे रहा है, एज द प्लेस ओपन विथ whom does एंटोनियो डिस्कस his troubles. ऑप्शन है बेसानियो एंड ग्रेशियानो, बेसानियो एंड लोरेंजो, सेलेरियो एंड बेसानियो एंड सेलारियो एंड सेलानियो. तो इसमें से राइट आंसर क्या है? इसका में से राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, सेलारियो एंड सेलानियो. अब आते हैं सेकंड क्वेश्चन पे. व्हाट अपीयर्स टू बी द प्रॉब्लम एज द प्ले ओपन्स. पहला ऑप्शन है बेसानियो owes a lot of money to Antonio. Antonio's ships are all at sea. थर्ड ऑप्शन है बेसानियो is in love. एंड फोर्थ वन इज Antonio is sad. तो इसमें राइट आंसर क्या होगा? राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, Antonio is sad. अब आते हैं थर्ड क्वेश्चन पे. विच कैरेक्टर स्पीक्स द फॉलोइंग लाइन्स. ये लाइन किसने बोली? बिलीव मी सर, हैड आई सच वेंचर फॉर्थ, द बेटर पार्ट ऑफ माई अफेक्शंस वुड बी विथ माई होप्स अब्रॉड. अब इसका ऑप्शन देखते हैं. फर्स्ट बेसानियो, बी एंटोनियो, सी ग्रेशियानो एंड डी सेलानियो. तो राइट आंसर क्या होगा? ऑप्शन डी, सेलानियो. अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पर. What is the missing word from Antonio's famous lines? I hold the world but as the world Graciano, a dash where every man must play a part and mine a sad one. तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है place, B house, C stage and D is world. तो राइट आंसर क्या होगा? ऑप्शन सी, स्टेज. अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पे. हु स्पीक्स एन इनफाइनाइट डील ऑफ नथिंग. ये कौन में बोला, किसके लिए बोला गया? ऑप्शन ए ग्रेशियानो, बी बेसानियो, सी शाइलॉक एंड डी लोरेंजो. राइट आंसर है ए, ग्रेशियानो. अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 पे. When Bassanio asks Antonio to fund his trip to visit Portia, which of the following is an accurate restatement of Antonio's response? अब ऑप्शन देखते हैं. ऑप्शन ए, looks like we are going on a road trip. ऑप्शन बी, to whom should I make the check payable? ऑप्शन सी, I don't have any cash right now. Option D, but why? You know, I love you more than she ever could. अब इसमें राइट आंसर क्या होगा? ऑप्शन सी, I don't have any cash right now. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में. In Act 1 Scene 2, which character says? Act 1 के Scene 2 में ये लाइन किसने बोली? My little body is aweary of this great world. ये लाइन किसने बोली? ऑप्शन ए सिलारिनो, बी नरेसा, सी पोशिया, डी जेसिका. राइट आंसर है पोशिया. आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पे. Which of the suitors that have arrived in Belmont does Portia say she could tolerate marrying? Option A, none of them. Option B, Baron Falconbridge. Option C, County Palatine. एंड ऑप्शन डी द ड्यूक ऑफ सेक्सिनीज नेफ्यू। तो ये इसमें से राइट आंसर क्या होगा? राइट आंसर है ए, नन ऑफ देम। ऑप्शन अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 पर। विच वॉट वर्ड बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स हाउ पर्शिया feels about her fate as it relates to getting a husband. Option A excited, B frustrated, C calm, D sad. And the right answer is B frustrated. Question number 10 देखते हैं. How do Narissa and Porcio know Bassanio? Option A, he visited them once and presented himself as a scholar and a soldier. B, he has arrived with the other suitors in Act 1. C, they met him once on the Rialto. D, they don't know him at all. And the right answer is A, he visited them once and presented himself as a scholar and a soldier. अब हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now question number 10. How much money does Bassanio ask to borrow from Sherlock? Option A 6,000 ducats, option B 3,000 ducats, option C 2,000 ducats and option D 1,000 ducats. And the right answer is B 3,000 ducats. अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 पर. फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग डज बेसानियो विश टू मेक अ लोन? ऑप्शन ए 1 month, ऑप्शन 2 2 months, C 3 months and 4 6 months. And the right answer is 3 months. अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 पर. What does Sherlock mean when he says that Antonio is a good man? Option A, Antonio is a man who sells goods. B, Antonio is a man of good moral character. C, Antonio is a good business risk. And D, Antonio is quite the ladies' man. And the right answer is C, Antonio is a good business risk. Question number 14. What does Sherlock say he will not do with a Christian? Option A, walk, talk or stay with. B, sell, buy or deal with. C, lend, borrow or buy with. D, eat, drink or pray with. And the right answer is option D, eat, drink or pray with. Now question number 15. What are the two primary reasons Sherlock says he hates Antonio? Option A, Antonio has spit on him and now he plans to run off with his daughter. B, Antonio plans to run off with his daughter and he is a Christian. C, Antonio is a Christian and his Christian business practices hurt Sherlock's business. D, Antonio has spit on him and he has kicked him. And the right answer is C, Antonio is a Christian and his Christian business practices hurt Sherlock's business. Right? तो आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा कि कहाँ कहाँ हम लोग एग्जाम में मिस्टेक करते हैं. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. What does Antonio tell Sherlock that he never does? Option A, he never worries about his ships. B, he never speaks to a Jew. C, he never eats pork. D, he neither lends nor borrows. And the right answer is option D, he neither lends nor borrows. Question number 17. Why does Sherlock say that he wants to lend the money to Antonio and Bassanio? Option A, he wants to become a Christian. B, he wants to make money off of them. C, he wants to be friends with them. D, he thinks they might introduce him to more poor Christians. And the right answer is option C. He want to be friends with them. Question number 18. What does Sherlock reference many times during his conversation with Antonio and Bassanio? Option A, the Old Testament. B, his hatred of Christians. C, his love of the Jewish people. D, the present rates of interest. And the correct answer is option A, the Old Testament. Now we have done this. अब हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं, राइट? और हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? अब हम लोगों ने एक्ट 1 कंप्लीट किया. एक्ट 1 में आपने देखा कि इस एमसीक्यू के थ्रू कि हम लोग को अभी और कितना करना था, राइट? अब हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे एक्ट 2. एक्ट 2 में हम लोग अब देखते हैं क्या है. As Act 2 opens, who wants to prove whose blood is reddest? Act 2 जैसे ही स्टार्ट होता है तो वो कौन सा कैरेक्टर है जो अपने ब्लड को रेडिस्ट प्रूव करना था? ऑप्शन ए एंटोनियो, ऑप्शन बी मोरोको, ऑप्शन सी लॉन्सलॉट and option D Shylock, and the correct answer is B Morocco. Second question, to what is Portia referring when she speaks of the lottery of my destiny? Option A, her dead father, option B, the 3 caskets, option C, her great fortune, and D, Bassanio. And the right answer is option B, the 3 caskets. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 क्या कहता है. What does Portia tell Morocco he must do before selecting a casket? Option A, go to the temple. B, put down his sword. C, seal his fate with a kiss. D, go wash his hands. And the right answer is option A, go to the temple. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. As Act 2 Scene 2 opens, Act 2 के Scene 2 की बात हो रही है. Who or what is telling Lancelot to flee the Jew? A. Jessica, B. Lorenzo, C. Bassanio, and D. his conscience. And the right answer is option D, his conscience. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 क्या कह रहा है. Why is old Gobbo looking for Sherlock's house? Option A, to find Lancelot. B, to give him a present. C, to ask for money. And D, we never find out. And the right answer is option B, to give him a present. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 क्या कहता है. Who does Lancelot tell old Gobbo to go see? A, Jessica, B, Antonio, C, Lorenzo, and D, Bassanio. And the right answer is option D, Bassanio. Question number 7 देखते हैं क्या है. Bassanio is hesitant to let Graciano go with him to Belmont because option A, he is too loud and rude. He is uneducated. C, he is poorly dressed. And D is he is unattractive. And the right answer is option A, he is too loud and rude. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 क्या कहता है. In Act 2 Scene 3, अब बात हो रही है Act 2 Scene 3 की. Jessica believes that this will solve the misery of life with Sherlock. Option A, becoming a more devout Jew. B, locking herself in a room. C, marrying Lorenzo, a Christian. D, ensuring Sherlock loses his bond to Antonio. And the correct answer is option C, marrying Lorenzo, a Christian. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. What is true and perhaps unusual about Jessica's character in this play? Option A, she speaks in blank words. B, she seems to be a strong female character. C. She speaks in prose. D. Her character doesn't seem to fit into the action of the play. And the correct answer is option A. She speaks in blank verse. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Who brings Lorenzo a letter? Option A. Old Gobbo. B. Bassanio. C. Launcelot. And D. Graciano. And the right answer is option C. Launcelot. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 क्या कह रहा है. What does the letter say? Option A. That Jessica has decided to stay with Sherlock. Option B. That Sherlock is staying home and Lorenzo should wait until morning. C. Antonio has lost a ship bound for Tripolis. D. That Sherlock will be out of the house and Lorenzo should go tonight to get Jessica. And the right answer is option D. That Sherlock will be out of the house and Lorenzo should go tonight to get Jessica. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 क्या कह रहा है. Who is the last one to arrive outside Sherlock's house? Option A. Silario. Option B. Bassanio. Option C. Graciano. Option D. Lorenzo. And the right answer is Lorenzo. Question number 13 देखते हैं. Why does Jessica say she is ashamed? Option A. She doesn't want to be seen with Christians. B. She is dressed like a boy. Option C. She is a girl going out at night. Option D. She is running away from her father. And the right answer is option B. She is dressed like a boy. अब आगे देखते हैं. What does Jessica, what does Jessica tell Lorenzo is worth the pains? Option A. Leaving Shylock. Option B. Catching the casket of ducats and jewels she throws out the window. Option C. Marriage. And option D. Becoming a Christian. And the right answer is option B. Catching the casket of ducats and jewels she throws out the window. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. Over in Belmont in scene 7. अब scene 7 की बात हो रही है. Morocco chooses the casket that says. Morocco ने वो कौन सी casket choose की? A. Who chooseth me shall gain what many men desire. B. Who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserves. C. Who chooseth me must give and hazard all he hath. And D. Pick me, pick me. And the right one answer is option A. Who chooseth me shall gain what many men desire. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 क्या कहता है. How will Morocco know if he chooses the correct casket? Option A. It will simply have a note in it that says you won. Second, it will contain the deed to Portia's castle. C. It will have a picture of Portia in it. D. It will be filled with gold and jewels. And the right answer is option C. It will have a picture of Portia in it. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 क्या कह रहा है. As scene 8 opens, scene 8 की बात हो रही है. Act 2. Who do Silario and Silanio say was not on Bassanio's ship? Option A. Graciano. Option B. Lorenzo. Option C. Bassanio. And option D. Launcelot. And the correct answer is option B. Lorenzo. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 क्या कह रहा है. Silanio heard Sherlock crying in the streets. About what does Silanio imply Sherlock was most upset? Option A. Getting locked out of his house. B. That a Christian tricked him. C. Losing his daughter. D. Losing his ducats and jewels. And the right answer is option D. Losing his ducats and jewels. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 क्या बोलता है. What did a Frenchman tell Silario? Option A. Bassanio has set sail for Belmont. B. Antonio is still sad. C. A ship has sunk in the English Channel. and D. Lorenzo and Jessica have eloped. And the right answer is option C. A ship has sunk in the English Channel. अब आते हैं बाकी क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. बाकी क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहे हैं? As scene closes, what does Celadio see shake hands with affection wondrous sensible? Option A, Bassanio and Graciano. Option B, Antonio and Sherlock. Option C, Lorenzo and Graciano. And D, Antonio and Bassanio. And the right answer is option D, Antonio and Bassanio. In scene 9, the Prince of Aragon explains that the conditions of the oath he must take require all except the following. Option A, never woo another maid in way of marriage. B, never tell anyone which casket he chose. C, he must swear to remain true to Portia should he choose correctly. D, he must leave immediately if he chooses incorrectly. And the right answer is option C. He must swear to remain true to Portia should he choose correctly. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 क्या बोलता है. The inscription on the casket Aragon chooses reads, who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserves. Who chooseth me shall gain what many men desire. C, who chooseth me must give and hazard all he had. And D, pick me, pick me. And the right answer is option A. Prince of Aragon has chosen, who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserves. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 क्या कहता है. What is contained in the casket Aragon chooses? Nothing. B, a skull. C, a portrait of Portia. D, the portrait of a blinking idiot. And the right answer is option D, the portrait of a blinking idiot. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 क्या कहता है. What news does a messenger bring Portia once Aragon has departed? A, all the suitors have left Belmont. B, a young Venetian has arrived to see her. C, he would like to try a casket. D, Nerissa has run away. And the right answer is option B, a young Venetian has arrived to see her. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 क्या कहता है. As Act 2 closes, जब Act 2 खत्म हो रहा था, what is the inscription on the casket that has yet to be tried? Option A, who chooseth me must give and hazard all he hath. Second, who chooseth me shall gain what many men desire. C, who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserve. And D, pick me, pick me. And the right answer is A, who chooseth me must give and hazard all he had. तो यहाँ पे आपको मैंने एक बहुत ही शॉर्ट तरीके से एक्ट 1 और एक्ट 2 का एक शॉर्ट रिवीजन कराया है. राइट. इस वीडियो को एक बार दो बार और आप देखेंगे तो आपके सारे डाउट्स क्लियर होंगे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं और इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से इस मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस का रिवीजन लेके आऊँगा जो आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे गाइस. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हैव अ नाइस डे. बाय बाय.